Hello all traders. Today is Thursday, 20th of February 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price during the Asian session started to go down and fluctuated between the previous day low and close and retested this level during the London session. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening and the news release, the market crashed down rapidly and found a support, and then buyers came back and pushed the price slowly higher and recovered half of this loss. So our plan of action was to wait for the volatility to calm down and have a deep pullback here and take sell short positions when we see the sellers are coming back and we have a downtrend, or when the price retests this level, we take long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's happened, and around 11:20 when I came back, the price was at this level and it was rejected already here, and the price couldn't pass this level. So when I saw the sellers are pushing the price lower, I took sell short positions here, hoping it can retest this level completely, but the buyers came back and reversed the price. So I closed these two sell short position for a quick scalp big profit, and also two sell short position was opened on Nasdaq, which I closed it here with profit. And since the price got reversed and the buyers came back again here, when I saw retest of this support level, took long positions here with setup C, 2 position on Nasdaq and 2 position on S&P 500, and closed this also with profit. And since the volatility was high and I reached the daily target, I finished trading on this account for the day. So all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see the performance on one of the accounts here, which was positive and showing the profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated properly because we had 100% win rate, 100% from 4 long position and another 100% from 4 sell short positions taken, and the average winning trades were 137, and the largest winning trade from the long positions was $285. So that was the summary of the trades we have taken on one of the futures prop firm accounts. For the small 5K CFD prop firm accounts, you can see the list of trades taken: 2 long positions and 5 sell short positions on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500, and you can see here the profit and loss. We had 1 small loss and also 1 scratch, and the rest was positive. And you can see the location of sell shorts here that was taken here, and long positions here with setup B and C mainly. So with this trades today, we reached the total balance of $87.69 with the profit factor of 3.63, and from 168 trades taken so far, we had 140 winners. That resulted in 83.33% win rate, and this shows the equity curve of the second stage of challenge, which is growing consistently. So the profit increased today, and I took a small lot size because of high volatility today. And as you see, the percentage of drawdown here was kept below 0.5%, 10 times less than the daily loss drawdown allowed by this prop firm to pass the second stage of the challenge. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.